Hello everyone, welcome. Today, we're diving into adding a cool carousel to your React projects. We will use Owl Carousel, a popular and easy-to-use option. Carousels are great for showcasing multiple images, testimonials, or any content in a visually appealing way. Let's get started and learn how to integrate Owl Carousel into our React application. First, we need to set up a React project. You can use Create React App, Vite, or any React boilerplate you prefer. Once your project is ready, it's time to install the necessary packages. We'll need Owl Carousel and jQuery since Owl Carousel relies on it. Open your terminal and run npm install owl.carousel jQuery or yarn add owl.carousel jQuery. Now, let's import the required CSS and JavaScript files in your React component. Typically, you'll want to import these in your main component or the specific component where you're using the carousel. Import jQuery using import $ from jQuery. Then import Owl Carousel CSS using import owl.carousel/dist/assets/owl.carousel.css and import owl.carousel/dist/assets/owl.theme.default.css. Finally, import the Owl Carousel JavaScript using import owl.carousel/dist/owl.carousel.min.js. Now comes the fun part, implementing the carousel. Create a div element in your JSX where you want the carousel to appear. Give it a class name, such as Owl Carousel. Inside this div, add the content you want to display in the carousel slides. These will be individual divs, each representing a slide. For example, you can add images, text, or any other React components within each slide. Next, we need to initialize the Owl Carousel using jQuery. Use the useEffect hook to ensure the carousel is initialized after the component mounts. Inside the useEffect hook, select the carousel element using its class name, e.g., $.OwlCarousel, and call the Owl Carousel function. You can pass in various options to customize the carousel's behavior, such as the number of items to display, autoplay settings, loop, and navigation. For instance, you can use loop_true, margin to 10, env_true, responsive, 0, items to 1, 600, items to 3, 1000, items to 5, to create a responsive carousel that loops, has a margin of 10 pixels between items, displays navigation arrows, and shows different numbers of items based on the screen size. Finally, remember to handle any potential errors and clean up the carousel when the component unmounts. You can return a cleanup function from the useEffect hook to destroy the carousel instance and prevent memory leaks. And that's it. You've successfully added Owl Carousel to your React project. You can now experiment with different options and customize the carousel to fit your specific needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Consider supporting the channel through comments or other options you may see below. Your support helps us create more helpful tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you in the next one.